Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Mille and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 23. Protection, Support and Movement. Let's start. The integument of most multicellular invertebrates consists of a multilayer of cells, layer called the skin, complex of a variety of chemicals, fibers, cellulose or chitin, single layer of cells. Correct answer: complex of a variety of chemicals, fibers, cellulose or chitin. Animals have three types of skeletons. Which of the following is not one of the three types? Fluid hydrostatic, rigid exoskeleton, fluid exoskeleton, rigid endoskeleton. Correct answer: fluid exoskeleton. The supportive tissue in the vertebrate skeleton consists of cartilage, bone, muscle, both A and B. Correct answer: both A and B. The outer protein coat of many protozoans is called the tegument, helical, epidermis, dermis. Correct answer: pellicle. The outer layer of flukes and tapeworms is the tegument, helical, epidermis, shell. Correct answer: tegument. Dash is the vertebrate integument, dermis, epidermis, skin, hypodermis. Correct answer: skin. Where would you find skin that is multilayered and contains mucus and sensory cells, and placoid scales called denticles? In the skin of body fishes. In the skin of cartilaginous fishes. In the skin of jawless fishes. In the skin of birds. Correct answer: in the skin of cartilaginous fishes. The notable features of mammalian skin are hair, a greater variety of epidermal glands than in any other vertebrate class, a highly stratified, cornified epidermis. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Modifications of the epidermis include nails, hair, horns. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. What type of skeleton would you find in earthworms and sea anemones? Fluid hydrostatic, rigid exoskeleton, rigid endoskeleton. All of the above. Correct answer: fluid hydrostatic. Which kind of animal does not possess a hydrostatic skeleton? Jellyfish, squid, slug, roundworm. Correct answer: roundworm. What type of skeleton would you find in an arthropod? Fluid hydrostatic, rigid exoskeleton, rigid endoskeleton. All of the above. Correct answer: rigid exoskeleton. Cartilage is a major supportive tissue. It makes up the major skeletal component in all of the following except gastropods, jawless fishes, humans, sharks. Correct answer: gastropods. With the exception of the dash, locomotor cilia and flagella occur in every animal phyla. Protozoa, mollusks, arthropods, ascomyths. Correct answer: arthropods. The predominant muscle type in many invertebrates is skeletal, smooth, cardiac. Both A and B. Correct answer: smooth. Flatworms, some cnidarians, and the gastropod mollusks move by means of waves of activity in the muscular system that are applied to the substrate. This type of movement is called pedal locomotion, looping movement, watervascular movement, walking. Correct answer: pedal locomotion. As a zoologist, you would look for looping movement in earthworms, polychaetes, echinoderms, leeches. Correct answer: leeches. The functional unit in a skeletal muscle is called a Z-line, sarcomere, actin filament, myosin filament. Correct answer: sarcomere. Which of the following terms refers to an actual cell? Muscle fiber, myofibril, thick filament, myosin. Correct answer: muscle fiber. The sarcoplasmic reticulum releases this ion which binds to troponin and facilitates muscle contraction. Sodium, potassium, calcium, chlorine. Correct answer: calcium.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.